Hi, welcome to the new section. In this section, we are going to work with interior plan. And in the next section, we are going to develop interior elevation. And up to now, we are working with a sample project using single CAD file. After this point, we are going to develop interior plan and interior elevation by working with multiple CAD files. In the previous sections of this course, we have already gone through regarding working with multiple CAD files. Now let's see what we have inside our sample project up to now. We have a site plan view, foundation layout, floor plan, sectional views and an elevational view. Now all these views are in one single CAD file. Now with this sample project, after this point, we'll see how to work with multiple CAD files. I'm going to create a new CAD file and I'm going to name that as interior plan. And that interior plan file will be linked with the sample project using the AutoCAD's external referencing feature. Later, I can develop the interior plan drawings using the same CAD file. In the upcoming lecture series of this course, we are going to discuss regarding drawing preparation and plotting in great detail. Further, we can create multiple CAD files for interior detail for different spaces. And these CAD files are going to be linked with interior plan in same fashion. Here, each and every individual space having individual CAD file for interior detail. For example, hall, we have a separate interior detail CAD file. And interior detail of dining, we have a separate CAD file. And bedroom, kitchen, bath, and so on. And using these CAD files, we can proceed with the drawing sheet development and plotting. Now, if you focus on the interior plan drawing, here I am using a single CAD file. Because in our sample project, we have only ground floor and the first floor. Very limited, so we can proceed with the single CAD file. If I had a multi-story building, then I would have gone for multiple CAD files. For example, interior ground floor plan alone one CAD file and the first floor plan alone another CAD file. And these files will be individually linked with the sample project. If I have n number of floors, I would have end up with interior nth floor plan. Anyhow, in my sample project, we have ground floor and the first floor only. So I'm going to proceed with a single CAD file for interior plan alone. Now, when we are linking multiple CAD files and working like this, we need to consider certain things. For example, if you check sample project, within the sample project file, we have many views. Most of them are going to be printed in 8 feet 1 inches or 1:100 scale. Because we have inside floor plan, sections and elevations. And if you check the interior plan, also we are going to use 8 feet 1 inches or 1:100 scale. But interior detail drawing, we are going to print in 1/4 of an inch or 1:50 scale. Now, when you are linking different drawings at two different scales, how we are going to manage the line type and scale, room tags, dimensions, grid lines and grid bubbles, and view title as per the standard. Don't worry, we don't need to do these things manually. Using the AutoCAD software, in most of the instances, we can automate all of these things. I always say to my students, we should not work inside the AutoCAD software. We should know how to get a job done from the AutoCAD software. Okay, without further talk, let's dive deep into this concept using the AutoCAD software from the next lecture onwards.